The Anahata chakra, or the heart chakra's associated hormone gland, is the thymus. It is responsible for regulating immune function through T cell production. So when balanced, the heart chakra allows you to experience unconditional love for yourself and others. You feel empathy, compassion, and emotional openness. However, when underactive, you may experience feelings of loneliness, jealousy, or even bitterness. An inability to forgive and a fear of emotional vulnerability are common symptoms. On the other hand, when it's overactive, it may lead to overdependence in relationships or neglecting your own needs in the favor of others. And we all know someone like this. Our mothers, they shower so much love onto us but often neglect their own needs. Health issues associated with the heart chakra often manifest as a weakened immune system. If you know someone who frequently has a runny nose, sneezes often, especially in the morning, or falls sick frequently, it could be a sign of weak lungs and low immunity. They might also experience respiratory problems such as asthma or sinus issues. Folks, please make sure to check out part 1 of this video series where I've discussed the 3 base chakras and associated health problems. Let's now shift our focus to the Vishuddha chakra, also known as the throat chakra. The key theme of this chakra is communication. Have you ever wondered why women are more prone to thyroid issues than men? This is often linked to a blocked Vishuddha chakra, as the thyroid gland is located in this energy center. When the Vishuddha chakra is underactive, it may lead to difficulty expressing thoughts, fear of speaking up, or feeling unheard. On the other hand, an overactive Vishuddha chakra can result in excessive talking, gossiping, or being overtly critical. Physical health issues related to this chakra may manifest as chronic neck pain or thyroid problems. Next, we move up to the Agnya chakra, also called the third eye chakra. It is located between the eyebrows at the center of the forehead and is considered the seat of intuition, wisdom, and higher consciousness. The gland associated with this chakra is the pineal gland, located at the base of the brain, aligned with the third eye. When the Agnya chakra is balanced, it leads to a strong sense of intuition and insight and a deep connection to your spiritual self. However, when underactive, it can cause difficulty trusting your intuition, lack of focus, or mental clarity. In rare cases, if the Agnya chakra is overactive, it may cause overwhelm due to excessive mental activity or visions. The individual may become obsessed with spiritual matters while neglecting material responsibilities. Physical symptoms of an imbalanced Agnya chakra include headaches, eye or vision problems, and sleep disturbances. And lastly, let's explore the crown chakra, also known as the Sahasrara. It represents our connection to the divine, to the universal consciousness, and higher states of being. This chakra is located at the top of the head, just above the skull. The gland associated with the Sahasrara chakra is the pituitary gland, often referred to as the master endocrine gland. This gland releases several important hormones, including growth hormone, prolactin, and oxytocin, among others. When the crown chakra is balanced, it fosters a sense of unity with the universe and divine consciousness. An individual is blessed with spiritual enlightenment and awareness of one's higher purpose. But when imbalanced, it can result in feelings of disconnection from the divine or lack of spiritual purpose and over-attachment to materialism or intellectual pursuit. So folks, by addressing and balancing these chakras, you can promote harmony in your energy, body, and physical health while deepening your spiritual awareness. And now is the time to take action. So we have created the Hormone Imbalance Fixed course, which is a step-by-step framework designed to help you balance your hormones in the most effective way possible. If you are struggling with hormone-related issues or health problems linked to one or more endocrine gland and their corresponding chakras, simply comment hormone below. My team will add you to our priority list, giving you access to exclusive discounts and early access as soon as the course is launched. If you found this content helpful, please subscribe, like, and share to support our channel and help us reach more people. I'm Akash. Thank you so much for your time.